How many years did we pretend? How many loves have we seen to the